Have you ever paused to wonder about the vital role water plays in the growth of plants? This seemingly simple question opens up a world of understanding about the intricate balance of life on Earth. In the Quran, there are verses that touch upon the science of plant physiology. One such verse can be found in Surah Al-An'am, verse 99. Translated, it reads, "It is He who sends down rain from the sky. From it is drink for you, and from it grows the vegetation on which you send your livestock to pasture." This verse alludes to the spiritual significance of water and the importance of plant growth. Water is essential for plant life, and this verse is predicated on this principle. The Quran is useful for pondering over natural and scientific matters. However, bear in mind that the Quran is a book of spiritual and moral guidance, not a scientific textbook. For further details and understanding, it is better to consult with scientific or religious scholars. Now let's take a moment to unpack the verse in more detail, highlighting its spiritual and scientific implications. From a spiritual perspective, the verse reminds us of the divine providence of our Creator, who sends down rain from the sky. This rain, which we drink and use to grow vegetation for our livestock, is a symbol of life and sustenance. It's a reminder that everything we have comes from a source beyond ourselves, a higher power that has created a perfectly balanced ecosystem for us to thrive in. From a scientific perspective, the verse touches upon the fundamental principle of plant physiology, the necessity of water for growth. Water is the lifeblood of plants, carrying nutrients from the soil to the plant cells. Without water, there would be no photosynthesis, no growth, no life. In summary, Surah Al-An'am, verse 99, highlights the spiritual and scientific importance of water in plant growth. It reminds us of the divine providence of our Creator and the intricate balance of life on Earth. It also underscores the fundamental principle of plant physiology, the necessity of water for growth. Remember, the Quran is a book of spiritual and moral guidance, not a scientific textbook. For further details and understanding, it's always beneficial to consult with scientific or religious scholars. In the end, understanding these verses in the Quran can help us appreciate the divine wisdom behind the natural world and inspire us to be more mindful and grateful for the blessings we often take for granted.